Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Aloha app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of Aloha and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.